Hey, good morning, guys. I was out in the yard yesterday cleaning out some pots and doing some cleanup, and I forgot in this pot that I
Potatoes.
put some potatoes in there, and this is what I saw yesterday. So I was
Purple.
like, all right, I'm gonna dig this up today and see what's in here.
Oh, that's huge! Wow.
Ah,
Hold up, hold it. Wow, very pretty, very festive for Halloween, like a witch potato.
look at that.
It's very purple.
All right,
Oh,
let's
sorry, my finger was covering it. Hold up. I need to turn around.
the container.
I'll get it.
So yeah. Oh, wow.
These ones look way better than the other ones. They were all like that tiny.
I mean, considering I forgot,
Maybe that's
about
a good
them.
thing.
Is it, baby?
Yeah, because maybe they needed more time. Because usually you're impatient, and then you could have gotten it before it was at its fullest prime moment.
Okay. Ooh,
Wow!
purple
Wow!
ones.
Hold it in your hands. Show how big it is.
okay.
Comparison. Okay.
The director here is.
Production team. Oh, look at that one. Wow.
All right. So this is a nice little surprise here. I think that's it, guys. Oh,
Oh,
no.
one more.
Ah,
Keeps the gift that keeps giving.
how about that? Oh, that's got a little oh, look at that. Something was eating that.
Bunnies.
No, Ava.
I'm joking. They can't even, I don't know if they even go underground. They don't dig.
I don't think they would get in the pot and go.
Moles go underground. And I don't think there's any moles in there. That's not possible.
All right, I think that's it.
You missed the pot. There's all of them.
Okay, this is what I ended up putting in this pot. I put these Danvers carrots in here. I put this, you probably can't see that. It's a purple dragon carrot that I got from Eric of Ericisms here on YouTube. I put in a little finger carrot and this black nebula carrot. So I'm gonna have a mix of carrots here in this pot, and hopefully I'm able to get some carrots, because that's one of those crops that you can just kind of plant it and forget it, and then hopefully by the time I remember, I'll have some carrots in there. I have another container over here that I see some potatoes growing in. This right here is a potato leaf, and this is a potato vine here. So I'm just gonna leave this and let it die off and see what happens. All right, that's what I did today. Look at this beautiful zinnia. She's really pretty. All right, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.